Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove your Tulip Panel Clip. This is also known as an actuator clip or a linkage clip. I'm going to make it super simple and easy, and I'll provide everything you need. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, so to begin this procedure, we do need to have our top down so that we can access the area with no issues. So if we take our Tulip panel here and we lift up, we'll see that the actuator or linkage is located right here up towards the side. Now this is the passenger side, so it'll be on the left, and if it's on the driver's side, it'll be on the right side. Alright, so as we can see here, the clip is clearly broken and the linkage kind of just flails around. So in order to remove this little top piece up here, depending on how yours is broken, mine, it's so broken I could probably just pull it out here. Let's see. Yep, I could probably just pull it out. But most of the time it will break somewhere else and it'll be a little tough to get out. But to remove it, there's a little piece here, you'll just squeeze that and you'll squeeze it out there. So, but in order to remove this here, as you can see, there's a little clip there. You'll unclip that, and voila, it's removed. Alright, so here we have our clip, and to install it, on the corner of the Tulip, there's a little hole right here. Now this top portion of the clip, this is going to slide right in here, and you have to apply a lot of pressure until it pops in. So just pop that in like so. And as you can see, it's kind of movable. Now there's a hole in the middle of the top. You're going to take your top portion of your linkage, you'll slide it right through there like so. And then the bottom of a clip, it has another clip on it, and that's to grab onto here. So you'll take this and you'll slide it on like so, and it'll take a little bit of force, so just like that. So this little long piece is latched on here, and then this is latched on here so that it doesn't go nowhere. And that's it. You've completed replacing your actuator. Alright, hey, thanks for checking out the channel. I hope it helped you out today. I want to remind y'all that in my Google Drive, I got a plethora of info regarding the Kappas. I got parts catalogs, service manuals, I got TSBs, diagrams, just a bunch of cool stuff for the Kappas. So don't forget to check that out. That's all I have for today, so I will see y'all next time. Until then.